Hey and welcome back to the channel. I want to quickly follow up on a video I just uploaded. It's about Victron VenusOS, the Gui Beta, how you can access it. And in my video I failed to do that. And thank you so much to all the users and everyone who wrote me and sent me messages about, hey, you actually need to activate something to display it. So again, this Gui Beta, as much as I understand, is not officially released in the beta even. This is just some feature they put in the candidate version, 3.10 build 23 or something like that. That's, I think, or 21, which is the build I have. I want to show you how it works so you can potentially just activate it as well. If it works properly and everything works, hey, I do not know and I don't think so, but at least you have a new look and feel you can play around with and look at it. So the issue I'm talking about is this one, right? So you have the IP address plus Gui-Beta, IP address / Gui-Beta, and it's just connecting and it's not loading. To solve this issue, as always, go to your Raspberry Pi, to your Servo GX or whatever you have, go to your display or go and connect via remote in the browser, like I do here. I mean solve in quotes. To activate it probably is the right term. Or you go there, walk there and do the same what I'm doing here now on your display and follow me. So that means go to settings, then we'll go down all the way to services, there it is, and we need to activate MQTT on LAN SSL. Why is that? I have no idea yet. I have not figured it out. Yet, but we also need to activate MQTT on LAN plaintext. Those two need to be activated. No reboot needed, as much as I know. We go here, we type in IP address / Gui Beta, hit F5 in my case, refresh, and then we can see, oh, there's something happening. Connected, receiving broker messages. What? So there's something happening, and something's happening. Don't be surprised. I did already play around. I changed the background and whatnot. It was dark mode, and I changed it to light mode, which is integrated, looks like. So when you click on it, or you touch it or whatever, you can see a lot. I went to settings, it's basically now more like a browser application, so it acts more native, I feel like. I go to display and then I have display mode and I just say dark mode and we're back. Click on brief, click on this one, there we are, that's how you activate it. Thanks again to all the users who told me how to do this. I hope this helps because I saw a bunch of questions lately popping up also in Facebook and wherever, so I hope this helps you also to play around a little bit. If you're motivated and enthusiastic like I am in this stuff, enjoy it. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Tschüss!